Several nested for loops. Continue to next iteration of outer loop if condition inside inner loop is true. I know it is terribly inefficient and ugly code, but if I have 3 for loops, nested inside each other such as so. I want to break the 2 inner loops and continue to the next iteration of the outer loop if the if statement is true. Can this be done?
Check some variable after each loop ends.
Another option is to use exceptions instead of state variables. I imagine this could be especially useful if bailing out of more than 2 inner loops.
Define a function for the inner loops and simply return when the condition is true. I now believe this is a cleaner solution than abusing exceptions or introducing control flow variables. It's not obvious in the abstract example, but the fact that some loops should be aborted and others not, is a sign that these loops have very different purposes. When this is the case, factoring them into separate functions will communicate that difference much clearer than a bunch of nested loops.
A possible solution is to merge the 2 inner loops to a single one that can be terminated with break.